Let me tell you, and working with Mike and his team been the greatest experience of my life. I got my first deal off, and it was a pretty good deal. And the lady was overjoyed and excited to work with us. I'm telling you, this program is phenomenal. It's easy. Get in there, you get out, do what you got to do, handle your business, and you make money. My biggest challenge was the financial part, finding a financial partner, but I'm sure everything's gonna work out, and it has worked out. Investors Mike B&B Blueprint, he had it down to a T where you didn't need to ask any questions. Like it was phenomenal. It was a phenomenal experience, and I want to thank Investor Mike and his team for being there for me, walking me through each step. That he held our hand the whole way. They helped us close the deals, get the deals. With a little footwork of our own, we had to put in, but they helped and they closed the deals out and we got it done. So I'm very grateful to Mike and his team. Thank you so much.